That's Volendam in the distance. So we're leaving, heading towards Hoorn. We've got all set up. We've got our spinnaker flying. We got pretty light winds right now. On our way to Hoorn. Got a lot of sailboats out here, which is very nice. Boats that were passing us, we are now passing now that we got the spinnaker up. Way cool. So we will see if we get some good shots of sailboats as we go to Hoorn, and we'll get some stuff of Hoorn as we go in. And this is the town of Hoorn ahead. So here we are in Hoorn, all rafted up. It's a tiny little inner harbor, and it is filling up. We had to raft up next to Johanna here. She has a very pretty boat.